Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining us at the Scottish Graduate Jobs Fair today. The fair is a really fantastic opportunity for you to meet top employers, speak with the careers advisors, and learn more about the graduate opportunities available to you. This is a really short video just to take you around the platform, just to make sure that you get the best experience. So by getting this far, you should have already completed your fair profile, but if you do need to go back and make any changes or updates, or you want to add in a photo, just click on your name on the top right hand corner of the screen and click edit profile here. We do recommend that your profile is as complete as it possibly can be. Make sure you're filling out the about section about who you are, what you're studying, and the type of role that you are looking for, as exhibitors will be able to view your profile and reach out to you. So do look out for those notifications that will come in at the top right hand corner as well. So now let's just take a look at the exhibitor stands. We do have over 100 employers featured at the fair today, all with live graduate roles and opportunities for 2022. Use the fair as an opportunity to explore companies and roles that you wouldn't have necessarily considered before, and to look at companies that you may not have even heard of. So the exhibitors are listed in alphabetical order, which you can scroll down and click on, or use this handy filter button where you can either search if you're looking for someone in particular, or you can click on a tag of a different career sector. So before the fair, we asked all the exhibitors what roles that they have available and in what sector. So do use this filter to look at the different roles available for you. So for example, if you're looking for a role in advertising, click on that sector and that will list all the employers today that have got roles in that area. So let's take a look at what an exhibitor stand will look like. So you can scroll and click, and if I was to find this one here, as you can see, we've got lots of videos, we've got their social media links to their website, they've got more videos, links to what graduate roles that they've got available, their representatives who you can speak to at the fair, and any resources, PDF presentations, etc., all there for you to download. So our advice is to click as much as you can, view as much as you can, and ask lots of questions. And by asking questions, you can do this in a number of ways. You can either find the people at the bottom. You can click on them, that will view their profile. You can chat or meet. Or you can start a group chat. So on the right hand side here, there's a couple of different options. Click on live chat, and this will open up a group chat box. So for you and other students and the reps to all reply to and to send messages to. So if you don't feel brave enough sending someone an individual message, use the group chat box on the right hand side, and you can ask whatever questions you like. Alternatively, if you wish to share your details with the representatives at any stand, click on share your details, and that will send them your profile and your email address, and they can reach out to you afterwards. If you do have any problems at the fair today, there are two places that you can go. Either your university, if you are unsure of who to reach out to and where to start. So by clicking at the exhibitors tab at the top, scrolling up, and your university. So each university is represented today, and their careers advisors on each of the stands. So as I say, if you're unsure of who to reach out to or where to start at your university and speak to a careers advisor who will be able to point you in the right direction. Or if you do need any technical support today, if you're having any other issues, find the help and information stand. And the team here will be able to point you in the right direction. There's a couple of helpful hints, some troubleshooting guides, or you can click on one of the team here and send them a message, and we'll be able to help you as well. We are expecting the fair to be very busy, so if you don't get a reply straight away, either from us or any of the representatives, please do just be patient, and they will come back to you as soon as they can. As I say, you can check your notifications and messages here at the top, and any schedule for meetings can be viewed here as well. So finally, just if you did want to set any meetings up, find the organisation that you want to chat to, find the person that you want to chat to. You can click on the people, and it will show their profile on the right hand side. So you can have a look about who they are and what area of the business that they work in. If you did want to arrange a one-on-one video call, you can do. So choose the date of the time, and a time that you're available, and send them a message. We recommend trying to be a bit putting in as much detail as you can in this box here, just letting them know what the call or chat would be about. So, what area that you're looking to go into, what roles in particular that have caught your eye and that you'd like to have a chat about. So once you've done that, click send. That will send the exhibitor a notification. They will get a notification at the top to say that they've received a meeting request from you. And you can see in your schedule here on the calendar that request is pending. You can click all to view any meetings in your schedule here. And as you can see that is pending going through. So as soon as that's been approved, a green button will come here just to say join, and you'll get a notification as well when that meeting is due to start. The meetings are 15 minutes and will all take place within the browser, so it'll all pop up. If you're having any problems, we recommend doing it in Google Chrome. And ideally on a desktop or laptop if you can. If you're having problems with your camera or microphone, the final thing just to be aware of, you can click on the padlock in the top left-hand corner here and just make sure that the camera and microphone are toggled on. As we said, the fair is due to be very busy today, so if on the odd occasion that an exhibitor rejects your meeting request, please don't take it personally. It may just be that they've had multiple requests come in for that time and so are unable to speak to you at the moment that you've requested. If they do happen to decline your meeting, pop them a message, ask if they can follow up a different time. That's all from me. We hope you have enjoyed the fair and make lots of connections.